Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab P10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. It can be, for example, in Notes, in the browser, actually wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen like that, and all we have to do is to enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and here tap on Add Keyboard. As you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages, so we've got only English. And after tapping on Add Keyboard, we will be transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. And basically all you have to do, if you will find one, just tap on it, and basically that's all. I'll show you because I'm looking for the Urdu language. Let me tap on it, and depending on the language, and probably you know it, but depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set, and the same situation with the keyboard types, again depending on the language. But in my case right now, in Urdu language, I've got 3 different keyboards to choose from. Sometimes you will have only one, or even up to 5. So as I said, it depends. I want to set the second one, so let me tap on it, let me mark it, and untick this first option. Let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check, and basically here we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. I have no idea what I'm typing. Again, the language key, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one different language on the keyboard. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and double click, of course, languages, and camera, focus please, can you? And here from this tab, all you have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now you have to mark the language you'd like to remove, and in my case it will be Urdu, of course, and tap on the trash bin icon. Now you can go back to the keyboard in order to check the changes, and as you can see, first of all, the spacebar is again empty, and we cannot find the language key, which simply means that we just successfully removed the language and we've got only one applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your LENOVO Tab P10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.